Welcome to your No Malarkey Guided Programming. My name is Kalu, and let's get started. So, we're going to be working on the AP Computer Science Principles exam. So, I want you to go to newlearn.com and click on the Principles exam. And we're going to get started with Intro to AP Computer Science. And the first thing we're going to talk about is the curriculum standard. So, let's get right to it. The curriculum standard is what everything we need to know to do well on the AP Computer Science exam. So, let's click here. Click on the first link and it'll take you to the curriculum framework. And the important thing to know is the AP Computer Science Principles exam is demarcated or is split up into 7 big ideas. And let's go ahead and look at those big ideas right now. If I can find it. There it is. Here are the 7 big ideas. This is the concept outline of everything that you need to know for the AP Computer Science exam. So big idea number 1 is creativity. Number 2 is abstraction. 3 is data. 4 is algorithms. 5 is programming. 6, internet. 7, global impact or impacts. So I use so C is creativity. A is abstraction. D is data. A is algorithms. P is programming. I is internet. I is impact. And you can look here again just in case you don't trust me. And why did I write this out? I used the acronym CAD API to remember the 7 big ideas. So CAD API, just go ahead and remember it, memorize it in order, because we're going to use these 7 big ideas, again, creativity, abstraction, data, algorithms, programming, internet, and impacts, to go through and focus on what we need to learn for the AP Computer Science Principles exam. So this is the curriculum framework. And with each of these, so number 1 is creativity. They break it down into 3 major parts, what's called enduring understandings, lesson objectives, and essential knowledge. And we're going to learn each and every bit of these essential knowledge. This is what the AP exam wants you to know to do well on the exam. And we will look at these broken down into the subjects of creativity, abstraction, data, algorithms, internet, and last one is impacts. Again, this follows the same CAD API order of the 7 big ideas. So this is a real convenient way to like focus and hone in on what you need to know, all of the specific pieces of information you need to know. There's about like 400 pieces of essential knowledge. And if you know all of these things, you will do well on the AP Computer Science Principles multiple choice exam. So with that being said, that is a little discussion about the curriculum framework. Once we learn something in this class, we will point to the specific essential knowledge. So let me just to give you an example. As we're going through this course, maybe you will learn that you can describe colors. You can represent colors using pink, the word, or you can use a number, specifically a hexadecimal number. Once I teach you that, I'll also point you to the fact that this is essential knowledge 2.1.1F. Hexadecimal base 16 is used to represent digital data. And you can see that that's under learning objective 2.1.1, which is describe the variety of abstractions used to represent data, in 2.1. And because you know it's 2 and it follows the CAD, the second one too is abstraction. So you know this belongs with the big idea or the big idea abstraction. And just to show you guys that I'm not lying, 2.1.1F, if we go here and search for 2.1.1F, we can see hexadecimal base 16 is used to. So I will use this curriculum standard just to hone you in on everything that you need to learn for the AP Computer Science exam, AP Computer Science Principles exam. So, and why take this exam as well? I'm sorry, I need to talk about this. I love the AP Computer Science Principles exam. I was able to go to a workshop by a very wonderful professor, Richard Kick, teacher. He was one of the people who actually worked with the College Board to create this exam. So I was able to attend this workshop with him. It was a 1-week workshop, and it was just amazing. And they taught us all about the AP Computer Science exam and why they felt it was necessary. And the big reason they felt it was necessary is because prior to this, the only exam offered about computer science by the College Board, the AP system, was the Computer Science A exam. And that is in Java, and it's basically only about 2 big ideas: programming and algorithms. Whereas this one includes 5 more big ideas: creativity, abstraction, data, internet, and impact. So this is a much more wider range of a course. This is a wonderful course. You should be very excited to be taking this course. I'm telling you, they really prepared well for this exam. And it's meant to increase equity and access into the field of computer science, for the field of computer science, to increase access to those who aren't traditional computer science majors, those who don't just think of algorithms and programming. And it's not a dummy class. This is actually a better course than the AP Computer Science A class. This isn't a easy course. It's just something that's easier. It encompasses more skills than just programming and algorithms, which nowadays, understanding just programming and algorithms won't make you very valuable in the workplace. Machines understand programming and algorithms better than humans. It's the creativity, understanding the impacts, using it with internet and in the marketplace, and being able to look at big data sets. That is what's important. Understanding the relationship of all these big ideas is what's going to make you valuable, and it's going to give you marketable skills, not just being a monkey coder, just programming and algorithms. That's get it out of your mindset that that's what a computer scientist is, just algorithms and programming. There's a much more bigger field, and I'm not just saying that to tell you that you can do it too, but like, even if you're only into programming and algorithms, you're not going to be very successful if that's all you focus on. So again, this course focuses on 7 big ideas: creativity, abstraction, data, algorithms, programming, internet, and impact, as opposed to the just 2 big ideas that the computer science A, the previous exam, only focused on. So I look forward to having you guys in this course. It's going to be exciting. And with that said, let's get started.